Welcome back to Corey's Kitchen, everybody. Today we're making anti-aging serum. Not only does what we eat make a difference, but what we put on our skin makes a difference too. It doesn't matter if we're man, woman, young, or older. It's never too early to start. Stay with me while I walk you through this quick step-by-step on how to make this serum. To start, let's add 3 teaspoons of almond oil to a dropper bottle. Sweet almond oil supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity. Now let's add 6 drops of sweet orange oil. Orange oil is said to reduce the signs of aging by fighting off free radicals and boosting collagen production. I'll take it. Now add 6 drops of vitamin E oil. Next, let's add 6 drops of rosehip oil. The retinoids in rosehip oil can help brighten your skin, prevent blackheads, and reduce inflammation. Now let's add 4 drops of lavender oil. The next step, I use castor oil, but you can use your favorite oil if you like. Now we can add 2 drops of castor oil. At this point, I decided to triple my recipe, so I added quite a bit more. And finally, we're going to add 1 drop of rosemary oil. And that's it. We're all done our anti-aging serum. Make sure that you shake well before using. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and apply to your face, massaging it in gently. You can use this during the day or night. If you replace with different essential oils, make sure you do the research on them. Make sure they're safe to put on your face and use during the day. Good luck!